In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Monzo credit card, apply for Monzo Flex, full 2025 guide. Monzo Flex is Monzo's credit option that lets you spread the cost of purchases over time, all managed inside the Monzo app. It's still a credit product, so approval depends on your circumstances and a credit assessment, but the process is straightforward when you know what to expect. Here's how to go from zero to using your Flex card with confidence. First, open a Monzo current account. Flex is only available to existing Monzo customers, so start by installing the official Monzo app from your device's app store and completing sign up. You'll be asked for personal details and to verify your identity with photo ID and a quick selfie. Make sure your name and home address match your documents and your credit file to avoid delays. Once your current account is open, explore the app so you're comfortable with notifications, spending categories, and security settings. These will help you stay on top of repayments later. Next, access the Flex application in the app. You'll typically find Flex in the cards or products area or by searching Flex. Tap through to begin the application. Monzo will explain how Flex works, including repayment options and key costs. Expect a credit and affordability check. This helps Monzo decide on eligibility and a potential limit. Reviewing the summary screens carefully here will save you confusion later. Now complete the application. Confirm your personal details, income, and regular commitments as requested. Accuracy matters. Enter figures you can support and double check your contact and address information. You'll be shown important terms, including interest rates, fees if applicable, and example repayments. Take a moment to read them. If you're offered Flex, you may also see options for how repayments are structured on purchases made with the card. Choose what fits your budget, and remember you can usually adjust plans for individual transactions later in the app. Only proceed if you're comfortable with the total cost and the monthly commitment. Finally, receive your Flex card. If approved, a virtual card typically appears in your app right away, so you can add it to your mobile wallet and use it online or in store. A physical card may arrive by post. Follow the activation prompt in the app when it does. From here, you can make purchases and then select how to spread them. Use the app to track due dates, enable payment reminders, and consider setting up automatic repayments to avoid missed payments. Keeping your spending within your limit and paying on time can help you manage your credit responsibly. That's the complete process from opening your account to using Monzo Flex with confidence.